Hey Katrina, what are you designing?
I am working on some wall decals for Fillmore County Hospital. Last year, I believe, we did a nice wall piece for them. So now they want to add to it. They did Monday's promises, and during the week they did all different promises. So now we're going to go ahead and they're making a medical staff and board of trustees and an employee recognition. Recognizing their employees. So we'll drive out there and install it for these guys. Nice little wall piece.
I'm going through a softball orders and putting them together.
We're back at Creek Carriers for the new month of June. As you can see, last month, which is the month of May, I had to deal with pets. It was National Pet Month. What Jody did here at Creek Carriers is she asked people for photos of their animals and to submit them, and then we would put them up on these window stickers. The nice thing about this is when I remove them, you can actually take them off. What Jody plans to do is cut out each one and give it to each person. It's a nice little thing that you can re-stick, put it up in your office, your house, refrigerator, I mean really anywhere. It's a nice thing about the product. It's kind of like fathead material. But yeah, check out the video. Alright, as you can see, we're all done. Changed the theme over from the animals one to the summertime one. What's neat about this, like I say, this project is kind of cool because every month it changes to something new. This time they chose to go with a theme where it kind of shows different things of their company and what they do as far as like shipping certain kind of products, how much they do of it. I mean, it's just kind of very cool stats that you wouldn't ever think of. But otherwise, I mean, colors turned out vibrant. It looks really good under this light. So yeah, turned out really nice.
What's up guys? It's been a busy couple of days here in the screen print department. We've been working on t-shirts for Restore Muscle Car. They have a big event coming up, the Bandit Run. They do this every year. So this year we've done things a little bit different. We screen printed shirts, and we're also doing some direct to garment shirts for them. Also with that, we're going to be doing some heat press car coasters and stuff like that for them too. A bunch of stuff going on for those guys. So let's check it out.
Ooh.